So, Rianne, here we are, down at the car, as you can see. Nothing looks very different in a minute, but if we wander up to the driver's side, switch on the ignition, walk back to the front of the car, we have DRLs working on the ignition, but it doesn't stop there, sir. We walk up to the side of the car again. We switch on the dipped beam headlights. We look round the back. Oh no, no fog light. Wait a minute. Let's switch it on. Walk back. We've got a fog light. Not only that, if you happen to walk past and accidentally slip, we've got a horn as well. Have fun. Bye.